Aloha from Superb Vacations. Royal Caribbean International is almost finished building their new cruise terminal at Pier 10 in Galveston, Texas for the Allure of the Seas. The first sailing of the Allure of the Seas is now only a week away. The first portion of the video has brief segments from the December 2021, January, May, September, and early October 2022 update videos to show the construction. You can see longer portions of the earlier videos on my YouTube channel, and there is even a video showing what Pier 10 looked like before they started construction. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified of new videos. There will be another video hopefully showing the terminal ready for the Allure of the Seas. You can see there have been a few tweaks to the original design render that Royal Caribbean released when they announced the new cruise terminal. I'm happy the front is blue and not hot pink, and adding the crown and anchor logo to the front is also a nice touch. They have also been smart and reversed the roof color to be more energy efficient in the hot Texas sun. There has been a lot of progress on the outside of the terminal in just 2 weeks. The parking lots are nearly finished, and they also finished installing the bridges between the terminal and the ship. Contact us at 197-TRAVEL-EZ or reservations at superb-vacations.com to book your next cruise. Thank you.